Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We will make chicken ginger today. An easy and delicious recipe, mashallah. We need shredded chicken for it. So boil 1 pound of chicken in 5 cups of water with a small piece of ginger and 1 teaspoon of salt for 40 minutes and get shredded chicken. What else we need to make it? Sliced onion, 1 medium size, chicken stock, 1.5 cup, extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons, cayenne pepper, 1/8 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, and ginger julienne cut 7-8 strips. So let's start making chicken ginger with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a pan, add chicken stock, then shredded chicken, sliced onion, oil, salt, turmeric, black pepper powder, ginger, red chili powder, and cayenne pepper. Mix them and let them cook on high flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it starts boiling. Now keep the flame medium low and cook it for more 6 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 6 minutes, keep the flame high and cook it for 4 minutes without lid. It is ready, alhamdulillah. Turn off the flame and garnish it with cilantro leaves. Enjoy delicious chicken ginger with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very yummy chicken ginger is ready. Enjoy it with boiled rice or roti and share recipe with others. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.